guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make a delicious garlic and herb shrimp. And to get started with that, we will fix the marinade first. Here are the ingredients I'll be using for that. I have some basil, some fresh thyme, some flat leaf parsley. I have garlic, butter, olive oil. I'll be using some lemon juice, some black pepper, and some Old Bay seasoning. Let's get started. So for this next step, I'll be using my mortar and pestle, and I did went ahead and grate my garlic and chopped my herbs very fine. Now I'll place them in the mortar and I will pound or grind them until they release all of the flavors and juices. Now, if you don't have this tool that I'm using, you can certainly use your food processor, or you can even grind it with your rolling pin on your chopping board. That's another way you can do this and get the same results. So I will continue to grind or pound all of my herbs, and when they release their juices, we will add the rest of the ingredients. Once everything is pounded nicely, we'll now go ahead and add the rest of our ingredients. We'll add the oil, lemon juice, butter, Old Bay, and black pepper. We'll mix until well combined, and this will be our marinade for the shrimp. Here I have some fresh shrimp that I washed in lemon juice. I did leave the tails on just for presentation purposes. Now we'll go ahead and we will marinate our shrimp with that garlic and herb marinade that we made. We will use some of it, but we'll leave a little back for, when our shrimp is done, we can brush that over the shrimp. We will mix the combine and we'll place our lid on here, sit it in the refrigerator for about 1 to 2 hours. We want that shrimp to marinate really well and just absorb all those flavors, guys, before we go ahead and start searing our shrimp. Next, we'll go ahead and assemble our shrimp onto our skewers. I will be using metal skewers, but you can also use the wooden ones if you like. We'll go ahead and assemble them, and you can do this in any order that you like also. I prefer to do them in the same order, so that's what I'll be doing, and then we'll head over to the stove. So I did get about 5 skewers with 5 shrimp on each one of them from this recipe and the amount of shrimp that I had. Now we'll head over to the stove and sear them. So today I'll be using my tower for this recipe. I will place my shrimp on there. I did went ahead and grease the tower first with some oil, and I'll place my shrimp on there and let them cook for about 3 minutes on each side. Guys, when I tell you this shrimp tasted like if it was grilled, because this is a cast iron tower, so it gives that nice grilled effect, and it was super, super delicious. So after about 3 minutes, we'll give these a flip and let them cook evenly for another 3 minutes. Guys, you can use a grill for this step also, or a very large frying pan. It doesn't matter because it will have the same flavor because it was marinated in the same ingredients. We'll now remove the shrimp and we'll carry on with the same process until they are all done. So at this point, you want to go ahead and brush that marinade over the shrimp when it's hot. That will heighten the flavors a bit and give the shrimp a nice buttery taste. We'll do that and then we'll be ready to serve. Okay guys, so this is how I make a super delicious garlic and herb shrimp. The flavors are amazing and I know you guys will enjoy the recipe when you try it. You can have this with some mashed potatoes, some seasoned rice, whatever you like guys. Today I will be enjoying it with some creamy pasta. I will share that recipe with you guys another day, but for today we'll enjoy it with that pasta, and I do hope you guys enjoy my video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!